me.
You're doing pretty good. Let's step out and get the mattress.
There's a hole back right here.
Oh.
There's a hole right here. There's holes everywhere for these mosquitoes to get in. Still.
Yeah, let's try more sleep. We'll fix it. Okay. So as you can see,
We're gonna be wet.
I think my plan works. We got a little mosquito net covering up the truck.
Yay!
Does it look a little funny? Sure. But it'll work.
Da, da, da. Doug's been 13 or 10 minutes. It's been like 10 minutes to put on. Mattress time! Da, 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 da. Oh, Daddy, whenever we finish, we have to take this all down. I don't take anything. Because we just got started. We have tarp. What is worse than tarp?
Let's grab my compressor.
Oh, yeah, that's plastic.
Okay, so here's the camp set up.
Oh, yeah.
We got our mosquito net.
The phone is floating in the air.
We got our mosquito net. We're gonna put this tarp up. So
Where is my
I got this little 10-foot by 10-foot tarp.
Where's my...
Okay, here's my summer camping setup in the truck bed. Just a mosquito net thrown over the Yakima rack with a couple awning poles to extend it out so I can fit my little gear case back there with the full mattress. Should be pretty good for how hot it is. Good airflow. Then I plan on putting a tarp above it. If I'm camping near trees, I'll put up a tarp kind of high so that it's still got really good airflow.